Hello friends, we will continue our class on division. This is the 19th lesson of Mathematics Tricks and Fun tutorial. I am Dr Prema B Sejekan. We have studied in the earlier class Nikhilam sutra, which is used when dividing with bigger digits like 6, 7, 8 and 9. Since the complement of these digits are small, the division becomes easier. Now, how will we divide with small numbers? Here comes the Paravartya Sutra to our help. Paravartya yojayet means transpose and apply. We use this when divisors are with small digit numbers. We have to change the sign with change of side. I have shown here. Plus becomes minus and vice versa, and divide becomes multiply and vice versa with change of side. Here I have given 3 examples, one in Nikhilam method and the same how to do it in Paravartya. Now we have to divide 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 1, 2. In Nikhilam method we take the complement. Since 1, 1, 2 is small digit number, the complement is big digit numbers and makes the procedure long, cumbersome. As shown, it goes on and on. But in Paravartya, you take the number only of the divisor, omit the first digit and bring down the remaining digits after changing the sign as said earlier. Now start dividing into 2 groups according to the number of digits in the new divisor. So mark it here as 12 with a gap and 34. Bring down the first digit of the dividend, multiply it with the divisor. So 1 into 12 gives 12 and write it down between 2 and 3 as shown with their respective signs. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. Since balance 1 is there, again multiply 1 into 12 and write down minus 1 minus 2 below 3 and 4. Then subtract. So the quotient is 11 and the remainder is 0, 2. Carry on the other example in the same way. Here we have 2 examples with a little variation. 1, 2, 3, 4 is to be divided by 160. We write 12, then a gap and 3, 4 and write minus 6 minus 0 below 160 as shown. Bring down 1 to the quotient side, then 1 into 60 gives 60 which is written below 2 and 3. Now minus 6 plus 2 gives minus 4. Bring it down to a quotient side. Now minus 6 minus 0 into minus 4 gives plus 240. Taken to the other side, 240 plus 34 gives 274. Since 274 is more than 160, we will divide 274 by 160 which gives 1, which is added to the original quotient, that is 10 minus 4 gives 6, 6 plus 1 gives 7 and remainder 114. Second example, divide 13905 by 113. We write 139 gap and 05 and minus 1 minus 3 below 113. Bring down 1 to the quotient side. 1 into 13 gives 13. We write with their respective signs below 39. Now 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Take to the quotient side. 2 into 13 gives 26 written below 9 and 0. Now 9 minus 2 minus 3 gives 4. So 4 into 13 gives 4 minus 4 minus 12 written below 0 and 5. So minus 6 minus 4 gives minus 10 and minus 12 plus 5 gives 7 minus 7. So since minus 107 we have to borrow 1, that is 113 from 124 which is the quotient, and deduct minus 107 from 113 which gives 06 as remainder and quotient 1, 2, 3. In these examples, we are using Vinculam and Paravartya Sutra. Here we have to divide with bigger digits. Take Vinculam, then using Paravartya, divide. First example, 39999 to be divided by 9819. Now Vinculam of 9819 gives 100 minus 2 is 98, 20 minus 1 is 19. So we write as 10 minus 2 plus 2 minus 1. Making it Paravartya, omit 1 and write as 0 plus 2 minus 2 plus 1. Now start division. Bring down 3 to the quotient side. 3 into 0, 2, 2, 1 gives 0 plus 6 minus 6 plus 3. Now adding 0, 6 minus 6 plus 3, 29999 gives 10, 5, 4, 2. Since this is a bigger number than 9819, we will divide it by 9819 gives 1 as quotient and remainder 723. The final quotient is 3 plus 1 equals 4. The second example, 1111 to be divided by 839. Vinculam of 839 is 8 is 10 minus 2, 39 is 40 minus 1, which gives us 1 minus 2 plus 4 minus 1. So Paravartya becomes plus 2 minus 4 plus 1. Now for dividing, because there are 3 digits here, we will group it as 1 and a gap and 111. Now 1 into, bring down the 1 to the quotient side. 1 into 241 gives 241, which is written below the 111 on the remainder side. So quotient is 1 and the remainder is 272. In this example, we can use Vinculam and Nikhilam Sutra in division or Vinculam and Paravartya. Divide the number 39893 by 829. First, we will use Vinculam and Nikhilam. The complement of 829 is 171 and the Vinculam of 171 is 2 minus 3 plus 1. The Paravartya and Vinculam is 829 Vinculam is 10 minus 2 is 8. 30 minus 1 is 29. So Vinculam is 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 1 and Paravartya is plus 2 minus 3 plus 1. Now let us start dividing. Bring down 3. 3 into 2 minus 3, 1 gives 6 minus 9 plus 3. Now 9 plus 6 is 15. So bring down 15 to quotient side and multiply. 2, 3, 1 with 15 gives 30 minus 4, 5 and 15. So adding 30, 30 and 15 on the quotient side gives 45 and the remainder side when we take 15 plus 3 gives 18. 1 is carried over the other side. 9 plus 3 minus 5 gives 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Then 30 plus 8 minus 9 minus 4 gives 25. 2 is carried over to the quotient side. 2 into 2, 3, 1 gives 4 minus 6, 2, which is added to 588 gives 930. Since 930 is bigger than 829, we will divide 930 by 829 gives 1 quotient additional to be added to the original one. 47 gives 48 as quotient and remainder 101. Here, Anurupya Sutra and Paravartya Sutra are used in division. This is useful when you have mixed digits which are having small and big digit digits as divisor. In the first example, divisor is 182. By Nikhilam, it is equal to 2 minus 2 plus 2. By Anirupya Sutra, we can convert it to still smaller digit by dividing by 2. So it becomes 1 minus 1 plus 1, and by paravartya, finally you get 1 minus 1. Since 2 digits here, we will group it as 13 and a gap and 56. Now, bring down 1 on the quotient side. 1 into 11 gives 11 with respective signs. Below, we will write this below 3 and 5. Now, 3 plus 1 is 4. Written on the quotient side 4, and 4 into 11 gives 4 minus 4. Written below 5 and 6. Now adding the quotient, we get 14 as quotient and remainder 82. This quotient 14 is to be divided by 2 gives 7 and remainder 82. Remainder should not be divided. Similarly, the other example is also done. In the coming class, we will study straight division using Dvajanga Sutra. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.